Peter Obi did 6 million votes without governors. Imagine what he will do with 12 PDP governors. Sowunmi, a chieftain of the PDP, asked, saying Peter Obi can win 2027 presidential election if he returns to PDP. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. In an interview via Mike on podcast, which was conducted by Sheun of Channels Television, the People's Democratic Party chieftain Segun Sowunmi passionately advocated for a Southeast presidency, emphasizing that it is long overdue, especially considering the historical role of Southeast in the formation of the People's Democratic Party. He reminded the listeners that the party itself was born from the efforts of Southeast leaders like the late Vice President Dr. Alex Ekweme, stressing that justice and equity demand that the region be given a fair shot at the presidency. Sowunmi suggested that Peter Obi, as a respected figure from the region, stands a real chance if he returns to the People's Democratic Party and contests the 2027 election under the platform of the People's Democratic Party. Sowunmi also highlighted Peter Obi's past political performance, noting how he was able to garner over 6 million votes in 2023 election without the backing of any state governor or strong grassroots infrastructure, the way he put it. He said the combination of credibility, sympathy for the Southeast, and the organizational structure of the People's Democratic Party could make it possible for Peter Obi to become a major force in 2027. And he even went as far as suggesting zones of the country where he believed that Peter Obi will sweep in 2027. He said that Peter Obi is going to sweep several regions, including the Southeast, South, North Central, and Christian North. That's how he put it. Now, this is his position. Is it possible for Peter Obi to return to PDP the way PDP is right now and contest election under the platform of the party? I doubt it that much. Why did I doubt it? This is because the PDP Sowunmi is talking about is PDP that had already been hijacked by Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, who is working for a weak candidate that will emerge from that party that will not pose any threat to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Wike cannot be the Minister of FCT and be running things in the PDP the way he's doing and allow a formidable candidate like Peter Obi to emerge from that party. That is the truth. Rather, they will prefer a candidate that they can handle easily. Somebody like Bala Mohammed or any other person from the southeast or south or anybody from south that stands no chance. Somebody like Bala Mohammed are holding his accountant general, EFCC. They are holding his accountant general. These are the kind of things they will prefer. The PDP governors that have already pledged alliance, many of them, we know right now that the governor of Delta State has already announced his support for Tinubu. PDP is a PDP governor. The governor of Akwa Ibom had already announced his preference for Tinubu. The governor of Adamawa State, Fintiri, is a close ally of Nyesom Wike. That is why Fintiri, even though he's from Adamawa, the home state of Atiku Abubakar, he has dumped Atiku Abubakar long ago and is dancing to the drum being played by Nyesom Wike. The governor of Plateau State, that one is alleged that Nyesom Wike helped him to become the governor, because Nyesom Wike was governor when his election was held, and Nyesom Wike played a big financial role, allegedly, for him to become governor. So he is in bed with whatever Nyesom Wike wants in PDP. The governor of Enugu State, that one, he's already dancing to the tune of Tinubu. That one is not yet revealing his stand openly, but from his body language, you know where he's headed. Governor for your state is among the G5 governors that oppose their party's presidential candidate in 2023. He was part of the G5 governors of Nyesom Wike that opposed Atiku Abubakar's presidential election in their party. That one self-Alan, he want to present himself, he want to even be a candidate. He's one of the weak candidates that may emerge from PDP. Okay, the governor for your state. Then you look at the governor of Osun State. Or governor of Osun State is battling for his life, political life. He did local government election. Tinubu's brother said they can't allow those people to take over local government, and Tinubu is backing his brother. So the Adeleke, the governor of Osun State, is in a dilemma. So when you look at all the PDP governors, is it the one in Taraba? The one in Taraba, that is his poor performance is already giving impression that he may not even get second term if free and fair election is done in Taraba. Where do we go? Looking at all this, the PDP we have today, the governors we have there cannot be able to be relied upon for Peter Obi to use them as a vehicle to win an election in their states. No. The truth of the matter remains that if Peter Obi could be able to win in 2023 and the election was rigged from him, without governors, as he rightly pointed out. His votes were slashed in several states, including Lagos State. If he could be able to do that without governors, he can still do it again without these governors. What is required for Peter Obi to reenact the magic of 2023 is for Nigerians to vote and defend their votes. Like Amechi said recently in a stakeholders conference on the state of the nation, unless Nigerians are ready to die defending their votes, the 2027 election will be rigged like 2023 election, and heaven will not fall. So what is required is for Nigerians to say enough is enough. Is for Nigerians to say enough is enough. Because if Peter Obi can win without the so-called political structure, without any state governors backing, including his state governor, who did everything to undermine him, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, if he could surmount all those, he can do it again. All we need in Nigeria is a heightened sense of urgency that never again will we vote and allow our votes to be stolen. If Nigerians are to serve notice to politicians that you can't steal a vote and enjoy it, if they know that, and Nigerian people rose in unison and said enough is enough, Peter Obi will be in the Aso Rock Villa before 12 p.m. on election day. It doesn't need the governor. The governor themselves, their votes, they can't even guarantee it. Their votes, they can't even guarantee, many of the governors. So what is required is for Nigerian people to say, we have suffered enough under the APC. We have suffered enough under Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Enough is enough. Let us go out. What we are going out is not an ordinary election. We are going to take back our country from the buccaneers, from the looters, from those who have destroyed this country. Unless Nigerians have the battle mentality, nothing is going to work, because the institutions have been compromised. Imagine Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he had his way with INEC under the outgoing INEC chairman. Now he's going to appoint his own INEC chairman. He has appointed the Attorney General, the Chief Justice of Nigeria. He has extended the tenure of the Inspector General of Police. So everything is working for him. He's exhibiting strong man, that he is a strong man. Barack Obama, one of the key points of the speech that he made when he visited Ghana was that Africa must do away with building strong men instead of building strong institutions. So the institutions are weak, but only the Nigerian people can strengthen that institution by taking action in 2027, by voting and defending their votes. And when they get that message clear, that you can't stay in this country and steal our election and preside over this nation, when they get it clearly from north, south, east and west, everywhere, it's glaring. They will see their cloud gathering. The cloud will be so gathering that you don't need to be a meteorologist to know that the rain is about to come. They will know that danger is looming. They will allow the will of the people to count. That is all that is needed for Peter Obi to reenact his magic of 2023 in 2027. It's not about the PDP governors. It's not about any governors. It's about the Nigerian people. Are they ready to take back their country? That is my understanding. That is my take. I don't know what you think about this. But whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.